Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to use COUNTIF. COUNTIF is very useful when you want to count how many times a specific text or number or anything in between occurred in a specific range. So the first thing you want to do is basically type in equal COUNTIF. And then once you open the parentheses, you want to select the range where you want to count from. In my case, it's going to be the country column. So I'm going to click on the first cell, Control Shift, and then down arrow. That's going to select everything. Now, because I'm going to copy the formula, I'm going to make this an absolute, so F4, and that's going to do it for me. Now, comma. So now you want to put either a pre-made cell that basically telling the formula this is what I want you to count for when it occurred, or you can put it yourself. In my case, I'm going to show you how to basically using a select cell, that's going to do it. So the other way is basically instead of selecting a cell, is you put a quotation mark with the text or the number or the combination. So and then there you go. And the formula is looking for the United Kingdom within the same range. It still show you the same number. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace.